Prepare for the things that you pray for because sometimes the delay is your preparation. Isa sa paborito kong motivational quote ngayon and gusto ko lang siyang i-share sa inyo. Happy Sunday everyone! Medyo matagal na rin akong hindi nakapagsimba and finally I had a chance to go to church today. By the way, I would like to introduce you guys my friend Abigail who brought me here at St. John Paul Parish. And for your information, ang ganda ng ambience at air-conditioned na rin yung church. At sa mga gustong mamasyal after the church, you can definitely go. Sobrang lapit lang ng mall. As in, walking distance lang. Hindi ko na may sasama dito, kaya see you part 2 for more videos. Lakad ka po, lakad. Sa dalas namin kumain, ngayon ko lang na-realize na ang dami pala ditong restaurant na pwedeng makainan. And this place give me a vibes of BGC Taguig. Dito lang yan sa Eastwood Mall, Quezon City. Based on my research, tinawag din nila tong mini San Francisco of the Philippines. At kung may Hollywood Walk of Fame, hindi magpapakabog ang Pilipinas dahil meron din tayong Eastwood City Walk of Fame, Philippines. Medyo nakakauhaw kaya naman nag-order kami ni Abby dito sa Starbucks. And of course, sa gala namin na to, hindi mawawala ang selfies. And outside of the mall, merong bazaar na pwede kang bumili ng accessories, toys for your kids at kung ano-ano pa. Yan lang guys, bye!